This is a Ram 4500, but it works on 2500s, anything with a 6.7 Cummins engine, 2011 model. Well, anyways, if you're having problems with your key fob always going out and you're constantly bringing it to the dealer, they're constantly making you spend all this money on all these different parts that don't freaking work, and then you go home one day, you crank it up, nothing happens. You just turn the key just like this, nothing, over and over, and you spend all kind of money to get it fixed. Well, don't worry about that. They got a little solenoid over here you gotta change. It's the WO2, which on the WO2, on your little thing, I'm a bobber fuse panel. Well, anyway, screw it. Look right here. Take this out of here. See that? Take that out. That's your solenoid. I mean your relay. Run you one wire here. This goes directly to your starter, and then get you some power with your key switch off and on, so that you can't be cranking your truck up for no reason, because it's going to be running directly to your starter. So come to this fuse, which is, let's see, it's the M48 fuse, and it'll turn off and on with your key switch. Go on the right side of it like that, and then run your two wires through your fuse box. I just cut a little slot right here so it wouldn't be all messing the wires up, because I smashed my wires trying to do it. Well, anyways, you run it through into your truck. Come over here, install you a push button. Push button is those two wires are hooked directly to it. I'm not about to take it all back apart just to show you, but you'll get the idea if you have general mechanical skills. So you turn your truck on like you're about to crank it. Crank that bitch up. Bye.